Python question 2. Write a function which takes a word argument and returns a dictionary of the word's letters mapped to their counts. For example, if the function is called letter_count and is passed the word ball, we'd expect it to return a dictionary with elements B mapped to 1, A mapped to 1, and L mapped to 2. The letters being the key of the elements and the counts for the letters being the values. Here we define the function. The function is passed the word as a string, and we create an empty dictionary, letter_counts, which will hold the letters mapped to their counts. We strip the word of leading and trailing spaces, and we convert the word to lowercase, and then we loop for each letter in the word. Within the loop, we check if the letter exists in the dictionary. If it does, we increment its count. If there isn't currently an entry in the dictionary for that letter, we set its count to 1. And we then return the letter counts dictionary.